If these three features are missing from your real estate website, you might be invisible to AI tools like ChatGPT. When a potential client goes to ChatGPT or Google AI and asks who they should help to buy or sell a home, where do you think AI gets its answer? It's not pulling from your business cards. It's not asking your past clients. It's reading the internet. And if your website isn't set up in a way that AI can actually understand it, you're invisible. The AI bots that scan your website and read through it to understand who you are and what you do actually works a lot like Google. They read everything, they try to piece it together. Sometimes they get it wrong, or sometimes they miss information entirely. How can they make these mistakes? Why? Because your website was built for humans, not AI. That's not a criticism on anybody's part. It's just that when we design websites, we design them for human readers and human viewers, not for bots and tools to scan and understand and categorize information. AI actually needs something different. Here's the good news. There are 3 things that you can add to your website right now to fix this. They're not difficult. You just have to implement them. The first thing you can implement is to confirm or add the LLMs.txt file to your website. AI tools crawl your website the same way Google does. They read everything, they try to figure out what's important, and they often get it wrong and miss key details. The LLMs.txt file is a simple text file that you place on your site specifically so that AI can read and understand what your website is all about. So what goes into an LLMs.txt file? Here we've got an example. We can see we've got listed out who we are. We've got in here a little bit more expanding on what we do or how we do it. We've got our key contact information. We've got some information about listings, recent blog posts that we have, neighborhoods that we're focusing on, and our FAQ pages. And that's it. That's enough for the LLMS or the AI bot that's crawling your website to get a pretty firm understanding that, oh, you sell real estate, and here's what I need to know about you. Now, the second thing that you need to have on your website is a Sitemap.xml file. A sitemap is a table of contents for your website that tells Google and AI crawlers exactly which pages exist, how important they are, and when they were last updated. So nothing gets missed or nothing gets ignored. An example that you have here, and this is usually in what we call an XML file, and it's structured just like this. A lot of tools, a lot of websites already provide this automatically, or you can add plugins like I have here, the Yoast SEO plugin. The sitemap is something that Google uses, the Google bot, to understand your website. So this is handy both for traditional search as well as AI search. The third feature that we can add to our website to make sure that we're getting found by ChatGPT and other AI tools is JSON-LD. JSON-LD is a hidden label that you put on your website or on specific website pages that tell Google and AI exactly what type of information is on each piece of content on that page. Instead of guessing, the AI knows that you're a real estate agent. It has your phone number, it has all that information available to it. This is an example of what that JSON file, or excuse me, what that JSON would look like added to your web page or added to your website. JSON-LD is a little bit more technical to implement. You will likely want to get help from your website provider. But again, this is going to help you show up not just in AI search, but in traditional search as well. Those are the 3 features that we can add to our website to make sure that we can get recognized by ChatGPT and other AI tools. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you want to get tips and strategies to make AI useful, practical, and profitable. We'll see you in the next video.